Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Thermalright Frozen Notte 360W ARGB water cooling CPU cooler. This high-performance cooler is designed with a full copper mirror plane base and a 360 specification white aluminum fin cold plate, ensuring low resistance and high cooling efficiency. Equipped with three 120mm PWM fans, each featuring SFDB V2 bearings, this cooler delivers strong airflow with minimal noise, automatically adjusting speed based on CPU temperature. The ARGB synchronization with the 5V 3-pin on the motherboard offers a dazzling light show, enhancing your setup with rich lighting effects. Its high-performance cold head, crafted with a high-quality copper bottom and aluminum alloy cover, boasts a lifespan of up to 40,000 hours, ensuring long-term cooling excellence. Compatible with a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, this cooler is easy to install with its dual-platform full-metal black buckle. For optimal performance, it's recommended that your chassis width is greater than 250mm, making it a perfect fit for most modern builds. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.